Good evening to all. Happy Thursday evening, you guys. It's Carla Thornton-McClain again. CLT, Transformation Life Coach. Jumping on, winding down. Another evening, another day gone for the week. I've been actually going over the BrightenUp skincare set with you all this week. You all can see it. And tonight we're going to be talking about the night cream. Okay. So I actually was trying to wait to kind of like in the evening wind it down and actually wanted to go over with you. Also wanted to let you know it definitely has some similar benefits in regards to, like I said, of course, the day cream. The benefits are in reducing the appearance of wrinkles, okay, supports hydration for the skin, okay, and it increases the appearance and tone, like I said, similar to the, how you say, the daytime face moisturizer. So this is the, basically the nighttime face moisturizer. So in other words, the daytime is to moisturize it during the day, and this is actually for night, okay? And creates a healthy natural glow and moisturizes to soothe the skin, okay? And as before, if you've been following me all this week, you know I've been talking about that middle finger. In other words, to use, how you say, because it's puts less pressure on your face, and we have to remember you don't want to put pressure on your face, so you want to use that middle finger. And as you all can see, and you don't need a lot, you guys, really, from any of the products in the BrightenUp set. You don't actually need a lot. And actually all this week I've probably been using too much. And as you all can see, I put on the daytime moisturizer, and if you can see already that, like I told you when we was talking, went over it with y'all the other day, that you can see my skin is not dull, but that's because I've actually already hit on the, how you say, the day cream, if you will. So if you notice, it already still has that glow where the day cream has actually been working all day long, okay? Now tomorrow what I'll do, I'll be going over, how you say, the cleanser, okay? And probably just kind of go over the steps with you, because what I'll do tomorrow, I haven't been putting on any makeup anywhere. I've been going, not sure what I'm putting on any makeup or anything this week, because I wanted you all to see, like I said, the benefits. And I've been using the BrightenUp set. Been noticing difference already for the past maybe a couple of weeks. Okay, so once again, if you notice, how you say, that radiant, that glow that it actually gives your skin. Okay. I'm sorry, you guys. I actually got a phone call. Nothing important, you guys. No one important. Sorry about that. I say always when you're busy, interruptions. But anyway, I'll actually be going over tomorrow. Like I said, I haven't been wearing any makeup because I've been wanting to show you all and use each product to actually see, like I said, my skin, and as far as the skin and the changes I've already seen in the results. So I actually do have some errands that I have to run tomorrow. It's important business to take care of. But anyway, I'll actually be putting on, so when I'll do the video and we're going over the facial cleanser, if you will, I'll probably put on some makeup tomorrow, foundation and stuff, and that way tomorrow evening when I get with you, we'll go over the cleanser, okay? And in regards to the facial cleanser, the fifth product of the BrightenUp set, and maybe show you the steps that you can actually go through, okay, in regards to the BrightenUp set. And once again, if you're interested or have been interested in using any of our products, the time is now. And I've told you I was going to always, remind you, a friendly reminder about the promotion that was extended that we still have going on for this month. In regards to if you want to use the products and you want to become what they call a PC, a preferred client, that registration fee, enrollment fee is $29 is actually being waived. Like I said, the promotion was extended. So the time is now if you want to try the products as a preferred client. If you're interested in thinking about having your own business, to enroll or register as an independent consultant, that registration enrollment fee is originally $49. It's actually being waived as well this month. So if you're interested in becoming an independent consultant and having your own business, or if you're interested in becoming a preferred client, this month is actually the time to do it, because those enrollment fees are being waived this month, okay, up till December the 31st. So once again, if you've been following me, I've been going over the BrightenUp skincare set, and what we went over tonight was the night cream, okay? Hope you all had a wonderful and blessed and terrific Thursday. I will be talking to you all soon, and I will see you all tomorrow. Blessed evening and blessed night. Take care. Talk to you tomorrow.